Hey, how's it going, people? This is Illegal Mike. I'm inside of Illegal Mike's Antique Repair Shop. The date is February 17, 2019. Behind me is a Thomas Edison standard phonograph Model B. It was on the shelves in 1905 and 1906. Right now the machine is not completely operational. It is not spinning. When this occurs, we should always initially consider a lack of lubrication to be the culprit. I have with me a bottle of 3-in-1 oil. I'm going to put a drop or two in various spots of the machine to see if that will get the mechanism spinning again. Here is the mechanism. I'm going to move the lever. There you see, it is not spinning, and this is fully wound, by the way. I'm going to move this, and you can see it's struggling a bit. So I'm going to use the 3-in-1 oil. Only a drop or two is necessary. A small amount of this oil goes a long way, especially with trains, for example. Only a drop of oil the size of the size of the end of a toothpick. That's really all that's needed for trains. A bit more is needed for phonographs. In any event, a small amount is needed. I'm going to give that a shot right now. I'm going to place the oil in various strategic parts. I added some lubrication to some of the gears, the working parts. Going to flick the lever. Okay. Mechanism is spinning. Does not sound perfect, so I'm going to have to investigate to see what else could be wrong with the machine. As you can see, it's running a lot better than it was previously. It was not running at all previously. This is good if you're in a pinch, if you're giving a presentation. You can get the machine working again. I'm going to keep looking into this. Put a record on it, so I'm going to test that out. Keep in mind, I do not have a horn on it, so that sounds remarkably loud. Remarkably loud for missing the horn. Alright, little Dixie for you guys right there. You can hear it struggling. I'm going to lift the lid one more time. So let's see. Okay. Yeah, it's still making some noises that I'm not too happy with. Sounds like it is struggling in two areas. Perhaps the lubricant has to make its way around fully. I would think that would have already been done. In any event, I'm going to keep looking into it. Once again, I mentioned that the main culprit was likely a lack of lubrication, and that was the case. Here you see it. All the gears and the parts spinning around once again. I thank all of you for watching and visiting Illegal Mike's Antique Repair Shop. Quality this extraordinary should be illegal.